Hi everybody, welcome to the video. Thank you so much for joining us here on this video. Today I'm going to be placing a live trade in USO. Now I'm going to be placing an iron butterfly trade. We already have an iron butterfly trade in USO, but the stock has moved down and we're looking at placing another trade. If you haven't been in here before, my name is Kirk with Tactical Options Trading, and we make videos just like this on a consistent basis where we talk about the stock market and options trading. If you'd like to learn more, I hope you'll consider subscribing and clicking that bell so that you don't miss out on any future content. All right, let's get this thing going. All right, guys, we are inside the ThinkorSwim trading platform. We're looking at placing a trade here in USO. Now you can see that USO has had a big move down. Right now we're coming into some support level here based on an extension of a prior move. So this prior move was started back here end of August, moved up, and now we've retraced all this level clear back 100%. So we've retraced 100% of this level, and now we're reaching some extensions, and we're coming into that 1618 extension of that previous move. So you can see we've already blown through that 1272 extension and now finding maybe a little bit of support here around that 1618. So because we've had this parabolic move, we're looking at possibly selling an iron condor / iron butterfly trade right around these levels to capture some of that premium. Now you can see the IV level here in USO is 77.2%. So what that means is that 77% of the time implied volatility has been lower than it is right now. So let's come into our options chain and possibly look at making a trade here in USO. So we're going to look at possibly opening up this 21 December series. Now you can see we already have a trade in USO. Now you guys, again, showing you this, I don't recommend you trade USO. You can do whatever you like with your account. I'm just showing this for demonstration purposes only. Now originally we had sold the 13 strikes. You can see that we have a position here in the 13 strikes, and then we bought the 11 on the put side and the 15 on the call side for protection. Now that the stock has moved down let's say about $1 or so, we're going to look at selling some more premium and capturing some more of that premium, widening out our strike prices as we do so. So we're going to come in here and look at this 12 strike, and we're going to click on the bid because we're going to sell those positions. So we're going to click that bid on the call side, and we're going to come over here to the put side, and we're going to let's make sure we're on the actual right strike here. So we're on the 12 strike. We're going to click on that bid. Come over here on the put side, we're going to click on the bid as well. Now hold down that control key, and that'll populate both of those in there. And now we're going to come out about $2 on each side and buy some protection. So if we sold the 12, we're going to come out here about the 10 and buy some protection. So we're going to buy the puts, the 10 put, and then we'll also come out here on the call side and we'll buy the 14 call. So now we're looking at an iron condor. You know, ThinkorSwim calls it an iron condor, but it's really technically an iron butterfly because those sold strike prices at that 12 are both they share that same strike price. So again, remember, on an iron butterfly / iron condor, an iron butterfly, we're really just selling a call credit spread and selling a put credit spread, and those sold strikes share the same position. So in this case, they're sharing that 12 strike. All right, so this position now, the 1214, 1210 call put iron butterfly, is selling for $1.11 on the premium. So we can collect $1.11 or $111 on one contract for selling this spread. So let's go ahead and do that. We're going to go ahead and sell this iron butterfly. You can see that we're selling the 12 strike because that's at the money. The at the money is right now at about $11.94, so that's close enough. We're right at that $12 strike. We're looking at $1.11, give or take a little bit. We might have to bump it down here just to get that filled. And let's go ahead and place this trade. Make sure everything looks good. We'll hit confirm send, and we have we're going to sell one iron condor, iron butterfly in USO for the 21 December series. The 1214, 1210 call put at $1.11 to open, and our max profit in this trade obviously is going to be $111. and then our max loss in this trade would be $89. Now that's the difference between the strike prices. So this is a $2 wide iron butterfly. We're receiving $111 credit, so the max loss in this case would be $89. So we're going to go ahead and click send on this, and we'll see if we can get filled here. And we're going to go ahead and click send. Now we have our orders there waiting. You can see they're waiting to be filled. And let's just come over here to our monitor tab. Actual market price right now, or the market price, is $1.12. We can also come back in here and hit cancel replace order. You can see where we're at. Well, right now our price is at $1.11. That's where we're sitting at to be filled, and we're sitting between the 109 112. So I think we could get filled if I just bumped it down right there and hit send. But you can see the market's been moving a little bit, so we might be able to just get filled right here at our normal 111 that we already have sitting here. So let's just go ahead and let that work. Guys, I hope this has been helpful. Let's just come back here and look at the chart and just see what we're looking at here. You can see USO has had a huge move down, and even if we just did a retracement of this major move here, let's just kind of see where we're at on a retracement level of this major move down that we've just recently had. Yeah, if you come in, you can see that right now we're sitting around that 618 retracement of this huge move that we've had up and then a big move down. So we're right around that 618. So all things to me point that, you know, we're at the 1272 extension of this prior move, and then we're at a 618 retracement of this move here. So looking to possibly have a little bit of a stall out right around this level, and maybe USO could just kind of trade sideways in here for a little bit in order for us to capture that premium and be able to take those off at about 25% of the max profit that we sold those for. So let's come back in here to our monitor tab. You can see that we're still at the mark price of 112. We're waiting for that order to get filled. We're coming into about 15 minutes before market close. In order to get this filled, I might just bump it down a penny and see if we can get that filled. So we're going to come back in here, hit cancel replace, and we have our price that we have set at was at $1.11. Let me just bump it down here to $1.10. I'm going to hit confirm and send. We'll make sure that this looks good. Again, now we're going to be replacing the current trade that we already have set at $1.11. We're going to be making it for $1.10. And of course, our max loss now has gone up by $1 because we're accepting less on this credit. So our max loss has gone up by 1. We have some good volume in these stocks. You can see that our sold strikes here have 15,000. Our bought positions here on the put side's got 2,000. And then we come over here on the call side, you could see that we have 30,000 open interest on this one, 7,000 traded today, and then we've got 86,000 open contracts here as well. So lots of open interest here on these positions. So let's just let that work here a little bit. Guys, I hope this has been helpful to you. Thanks so much for watching. Have a good one, everybody. Again, Kirk with Tactical Options Trading. If you think this video has been helpful and you'd like to share it with somebody, please feel free to. We'd love to have you share it. And if you haven't already, consider subscribing to our channel. We make videos just like this one on a consistent basis, where we talk about options and stocks and all kinds of things like this. So thank you so much. Thank you so much, everybody. Have a good one. Bye-bye.